floating, keep stroking. You've been on my mind, but keep hoping that these golden moments were frozen. And if you're cold, baby, my arms are... Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I won't be talking much in this video because I have a cold and my voice is really cracking up. So in this video, I will be hunting some Jamaican Easter bun, Jamaican food product overall. Because since I've been here in Texas, it has been so challenging to get Jamaican items. And I really miss my food from back home. So we heard about this store and we got a few items. They sell Caribbean items, not only Jamaican items. So I'm grateful for that. We got a few items, not as much as I would like to get, but enough. We went to a few other stores and we had really no luck. However, we came across the first staging of the Caribbean Kite and Crawfish Festival, and that event, guys, was hosted by the restaurant here in Houston called Caribbean Hot Pot. They also have a food truck. They sell Caribbean food, and that's where I got the Easter bun. I am so grateful for that. The Easter bun was amazing. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video and I'll see you in my next video. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. You can subscribe if you like. It is free. Leave me a like and a comment. And if you're a returning supporter, thank you so much. This channel won't be possible without you. And remember guys, if you know of anywhere here in Houston that sells Jamaican food products, please let me know. I would really appreciate that. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Oh, that's stone boat, right? Yeah. Definitely want this.
Okay, so pack it out and put it in the fridge. 24. Yeah, man.
Long time.
She come from Spanish Town, you know. Uptown place.
That's how I pronounce it, Spanish.
The most uptown place is Spanish Town, Brunswick.
And then we come from
You know where you go?
Brunswick. No. I live right near the clinic, right before you reach Acres. Girl, I don't. Man. Oh, so.
My brother used to work
Me walk yes already when you did the run this so. Eh? Me don't know if you want that tea there. Now this you normally drink.
Yeah, vodka like dirt, that's how you're looking for.
2 weeks. As somebody tell me about here.
Yeah, man.
I will watch spring we live in up. At 40 minutes take a break.
I take Saturday. 5 minutes before.
Yeah.
Chicken back.
Chicken back.
What the hell, bro?
You could have tried to sing it before work or early morning.
What this?
On a Monday, right?
Bedroom bully.
Yeah, next week, that's a 2 week. Wow, same thing, I can't do it.
Huh? You know what love me to see that the grape water there. Me say.
Great. Never chop it. Damn it, no.
No, man, I'm saying that's where I come from.
You have everything. We soon back out. Don't get your truck soon. Come soon back out to where you're soon.
Yeah, so next week, Monday, morning, 10 o'clock in the morning.
I gotta get it. Ladies say ow. Alright, we ready to go. We going in one, right? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Hop, 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 hop. Oh my God. Purple shirt, give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up. Alright, come collect your prize, come collect your prize. Come collect your prize. You having fun today? What's your name? Giselle. Oh. You're welcome. Say thank you, Caribbean Hot Pot.
Thank you, Caribbean Hot Pot.
All right, that's our winner. Give her a round of applause. All right, I hope the boys are going to be faster. Boys, y'all think y'all going to be faster? Yeah. Come on, man. Y'all can do better than that. Y'all think y'all going to be faster than the girls? Somebody say ready? All right, we going on 3, 2. I got you. All right, spread out. I don't need nobody bumping into nobody. Oh my God, I can't do that. It's a family show. I can't tell them kids to say, boy, I come. All right, y'all ready? Yes, y'all ready? Say yeah. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh my God. Oh, I don't know who won. $200 man won. $200 $200 man won. He said it's for $200. He wants $200 for a sack race. All right. What is your name?
Joseph.
Joseph, I know you got a winning dance. You got a winning dance? Let me see your winning dance. Let me see your winning dance. Ah, he was the gritty. Give Joseph a round of applause. We got more prizes, kids. I got more. I tell you, I got prizes up here. All right, I got prizes. We may just do a fastest kid out here. The fastest kids win a prize, all right? So who can run? I got that coming up right after this. DJ Goldfinger, we getting closer to the bag, which happens to be J Unit. Welcome to the Caribbean Hot Pot Kite and Crawfish Festival Year 1. We got Team Levels on stage right now. DJ Goldfinger, Patrick Fury. We got mix it up with the music. Let's go, Finger.
Get real.
You have to have this label on it to sell it. You will go to jail.
Get real if I'm doing like that.
He said no.
Let me see the magnum.
Hey. And it couldn't be Easter without an Easter egg hunt. I almost said the Jamaican thing. I said, hey.
You alright, man? You in love, Lord, music. I don't see one kite go up yet. Let's go up and come back down like Casa living. I don't see one bamboo kite yet. Yes, guys. So we did not stay at the festival for long as I have a cold and we weren't prepared because we just heard about it today. But next year we'll definitely be able to enjoy it more. We went to this food town that we didn't get real much. We just got some plantains. That's the only thing we found there. And then we just ended our day right back at Walmart, and Walmart is basically where we do most of our shopping. So this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, I applaud you. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
Lights, take you to the city, show you a wonderful night.